Hey guys, it's Jessie at Mantooth Insurance. Just making this video today to go over what to do in case of an accident. We never want to have accidents, but unfortunately they do happen more than we would ever like to admit. So just wanted to kind of go over what happens in case of an accident, and that way we can get everything taken care of for you. The first thing to do is stay calm. Just stay calm in case of an accident. Second thing, always make sure that everyone is okay. That is way more important. Making sure that everyone is all right. Cars can be fixed and replaced. So we always want to make sure that you guys are okay. Next thing to do is always make sure that you contact the police. It's just easier for everyone. That way we've got everything in writing, takes care of it. So always call the police. And then they will come and they will exchange your information. Make sure that you also exchange phone numbers in that situation. Sometimes the police don't get that information between the two parties that were involved. So definitely make sure you exchange phone numbers. It's way easier to contact each other through the phone. So, and then once the police do respond, you want to make sure and get a copy of what's called the driver's exchange form. It looks just like this. And that is going to have all of your information on it, but it's also going to have the other party's information. It's going to have their name, their address, what kind of car they were driving, and very importantly, their insurance information. There's not a way for us to get that information without having a copy of that driver's exchange form. So that is key to making sure that the police officer gives that to you at the scene of the accident. They should be able to get all that on a piece of paper and give it to you once you leave the accident. So that is key. And once you have that, give me a call and then we can go over the next steps. Again, I will make sure that you're okay because that is the most important thing. And then that way we can advise you what to do next. So unfortunately accidents happen, but it is very simple to deal with them when they do. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 317-272-1010. Thanks.